In this video, I'll show you how to scan for local live TV channels on your Samsung Smart TV. So the first thing we need to do, and no matter what kind of remote control you have, this will work. So first step is obviously to connect an antenna or your cable, if you have a cable box, to the back of the TV where the coaxial input is located. Now, next step is on your remote control, you may have a source button on the top right corner. If you have one, you're going to click on it and then you're going to select TV. So go over it and press the enter button here. If your remote control does not have this button, what you need to do is to press the home button to make this appear. And then with the arrows, you're going to navigate like this. Mine is on the left side until source is selected. Then go up with the arrow and select TV like this. Then we need to go into the settings. So on your remote control, press again the home button and then with the left arrow, go all the way and highlight settings. On some other Samsung models, settings is on the right side instead. Once you're on settings, press enter. You're going to have this menu appearing and we need to go down where it says broadcasting. Once you're there, press enter. And then we need to select auto program. Press enter. Then press enter again to select start. Now, if you have connected an antenna, you need to select air. If you have connected a cable box, select cable. Mine is an antenna, so I'll select air and press enter. It will take a few seconds, maybe even a minute or two, and the Samsung TV will scan for every single channels that are available in your area. It's always helpful if you move your antenna the closest possible to a window. And by the way, if you do not have an antenna, check the Amazon affiliate links in the description down below. If you want to get one from Amazon, you support my channel at the same time since I get a small commission every time somebody buys one from my links. Okay, the scanning is done. It took about 45 seconds. And now, as we see here, the TV has found 6 local live TV channels. And over here we have Samsung TV Plus. It has found 340. Samsung TV Plus is actually internet TV. You see some remote control even has a button over here, and these are free channels that Samsung give you and they're broadcast on the internet. They're not using your antenna or your cable. If you're not satisfied with the number of channels your TV found, move the antenna to a different position and then select scan again. Once you're done, you're going to press close here, okay? And you'll be directed on the live TV channels and you can browse them using the channel buttons here up and down. Some remote control even have a button that says guide, and if you press on it, you're going to have more information about all the channels and what kind of content you are expected to see. So I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.